Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to hide followers on Instagram. So, Instagram does not allow you to completely hide your followers from everyone, but you can limit visibility using privacy settings, removing or blocking followers, or restricting specific users. So, first open Instagram app and log into your account. Next, tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the three lines in the top right corner. Then, once you're in settings and privacy, scroll down to who can see your account and tap on account privacy. Then go ahead and toggle private account on. So turn this on. Then click switch to private. So if you switch to private account, so your profile and posts cannot be seen by anyone, also your photos and videos. So only the followers we approve can see what you share, including your photos or videos on hashtag and location pages, and your followers and following list. So certain info in your profile, like your profile picture and username, is visible to everyone on and off Instagram. Next method is to remove unwanted followers. So go to your profile, then tap followers. Then from here, find the follower you want to remove. You can tap this X button right here to remove them. So click on their name and click the three dots in the top right corner. Then from the options, select remove follower. Then confirm the action by clicking remove. And they'll be removed from your followers. Next is to block specific users. So visit the profile of the user you want to block. Then tap the three dots in the top right corner. Then select block from the options. Then select block, or you can select block and report. So select block and confirm the action. So if you want to unblock them, just click the three dots again and click unblock. Click unblock again to confirm the action. Next is to restrict a user. So go to the profile of the user you want to restrict. For example, this one, then tap the three dots in the top right corner, then choose restrict, and that profile will be restricted. So these methods help you control who can see your followers and maintain your privacy on Instagram. And that's it. Thank you for watching.